Looking for the best drum set to upgrade your sound in 2026? In this video, we review the top acoustic and electronic drum kits for beginners, hobbyists, and serious players. From powerful studio-ready kits to quiet practice-friendly electronic sets, we cover sound quality, build, features, and value. Stay tuned to find the perfect drum set that matches your style, space, and skill level this year. Number 3. The PDP Concept Maple 7-piece shell pack in satin seafoam delivers pro-level tone, eye-catching style, and serious versatility at a price that punches way above its class. Built with 7-ply European maple shells and a 10-ply maple snare, this kit produces warm lows, clear mids, and bright, controlled highs that record beautifully and project well on stage. This configuration is made for drummers who love options. With 7x8, 8x10, and 9x12 rack toms, plus 12x14 and 14x16 floor toms, you can dial in tight fusion tones or big, thunderous rock sounds. The 22-inch bass drum delivers punch and depth, while the 5.5x14 snare offers crisp attack and sensitivity, helped by the reliable WmAG throw-off. Hardware details show real thought. Suspension tom mounts let the shells resonate freely for longer sustain, and true pitch tension rods make tuning more precise and stable. Factory-fitted Remo heads provide a solid starting point right out of the box. Visually, the satin seafoam finish is a standout modern, classy, and guaranteed to turn heads under stage lights. Owners love the build quality and tone, with many saying it's exactly what they hoped for once they finally got their hands on it. Whether you're gigging, recording, or upgrading your main kit, the PDP Concept Maple 7-piece offers premium sound, flexible setup options, and boutique-style looks without boutique pricing. Number 2. The Roland VAD 307V Drums Kit blends the look of an acoustic set with the flexibility of modern electronics, making it ideal for drummers who want realism without the volume. Its shallow depth wood shells and chrome stands give it a true stage-ready presence, while keeping the footprint compact enough for home studios and apartments. At the heart of the kit is the updated TD17 sound module, packed with expressive, natural drum tones, expanded effects, and deep editing options. The mesh heads on the snare and toms feel responsive and dynamic, capturing ghost notes, rim shots, and powerful accents with impressive accuracy. The 18-inch kick drum adds visual authenticity and satisfying rebound, though double-pedal users may need specialized offset beaters for long-term comfort. Cymbal performance is another highlight. The VH-10 hi-hat delivers smooth open-to-close transitions, while the thin crash and ride cymbals provide natural swing and multi-zone triggering. Bluetooth connectivity lets you jam along with tracks wirelessly, and built-in coaching tools help sharpen timing and technique. Drummers love how sturdy and adjustable the hardware feels, plus the benefit of avoiding bulky rack systems. Many say it's the most real-feeling electronic kit they've played. Stylish, expressive, and packed with pro features, the Roland VAD 307 is a premium electronic kit that truly bridges the gap between acoustic vibe and digital versatility. Number 1. The Ludwig Classic Maple Fab 22 Shell Pack in Vintage Black Oyster is a dream kit for drummers who crave iconic tone and timeless style. Built from premium maple, these shells deliver the warm lows, punchy mids, and crisp highs that have defined Ludwig's legendary sound for decades. Whether you're on stage or in the studio, this kit offers a rich, balanced voice that sits beautifully in any mix. The configuration includes a 22-inch bass drum, 13 mounted tom, and 16 floor tom, a classic setup that covers everything from rock and blues to jazz and pop. The bass drum produces deep, resonant thump without losing clarity, while the toms sing with smooth sustain and excellent tuning range. Maple's natural resonance really shines here, giving you expressive dynamics at any volume. Visually, the vintage black oyster finish is pure nostalgia, channeling the golden era of drumming while still looking bold under modern stage lights. The craftsmanship is top tier, with durable hardware and flawless shell construction that feels built to last for decades. Players consistently rave about the sound quality, with some calling it the best kit they've ever played, and it's easy to hear why. The Ludwig Classic Maple Fab 22 isn't just a drum set. It's a piece of drumming history that delivers professional performance every time you sit down to play. And that's our roundup of the best drum sets of 2026. Whether you're just starting out or ready to level up your sound, there's a perfect kit out there waiting for you. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest gear reviews, and drop a comment with the kit you're rocking or the one you're eyeing. Keep practicing, keep playing, and I'll see you in the next video.